Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to increase organic views on TikTok. So what is considered a view on TikTok? Well, on TikTok a view is counted the second someone lands on your video, even if they scroll away immediately. It's still considered a view. So they scroll, even if they see a video for a split second, that is considered a view. So how much does TikTok pay for each view? Well, there's no set rate that TikTok pays per view. However, top creators have stated that they have received around 2 to 4 cents for each view on their videos due to the revenue earned from the TikTok creator found. So what can you do to increase your organic views? Well, you can add hashtags to your content. Now, hashtags exist on nearly every, of course, social platform as a way to categorize, tag, and search for content, and TikTok is no different. Now, TikTok hashtags are used similar, but you can use it to utilize trends and challenges. So, if you are in the car niche, maybe you want to type in car, or daily car or stuff like that. So you always want to find the best possible hashtags, just go and see what your competitors are doing. So pay attention to their hashtags. You can use a tool like TikTok hashtag to find popular hashtags. You can always start typing hashtags into the caption and let TikTok auto populate the option for you. Or you can browse for your page to discover trending hashtags. So that's one way. Then is to create a multi-part series. Basically, those are a video where it's like, oh, this is part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. To be honest, I'm not a fan of that. Especially if somebody views your content and then they go to your TikTok and they don't see the part 2, who knows if your account will ever appear for them. So it's just best, in my opinion, to avoid part series. Now, another way is to use popular music. So what does that mean? So use popular music and sound clips within your video content. If someone likes the music clip, they can click on the spinning album at the bottom right corner to view more videos that use it. So basically just utilize popular songs and trends. Then you want to follow viral TikTok trends. So for example, if you see that something is currently trendy, I don't know what's at the moment trendy, but you just want to do something trendy like a dance, challenges, memes, and stuff like that. So search for the viral stuff and just utilize that. Then of course you want to know your target audience, like who views your videos, like who is that ideal viewer, because you want to create a content that fits them and not some unknown viewer. Like if you're into car videos, your viewers are car people. They are not somebody, I don't know, who goes hiking, even though they can be related, but this is probably your ideal viewer. And then you need to find the best times to post on TikTok. So Tuesdays posts from 2 to 6 p.m. Wednesday you want to post from 2 to 5 p.m. and Thursday you want to post from 3 to 5 p.m. again. Now of course you need to, these are just like suggestions, try posting it at different times, you might get better results, but this is what's working for other people. You can always cross promote your videos, which means that you want to share your TikTok videos on other platforms to further spread the word. You can easily share them to Instagram stories, or you can repurpose TikTok videos as Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. Now another great way is to create a video from comments. So when somebody leaves your comment, ooh, how's your dog doing, you basically reply to that comment and you create a video about whatever that person said. So video comment. 9 is to duet and stitch popular videos. So basically, if you are in the car niche and somebody is talking about BMW and you know they are telling some like not so smart things, you can stitch that video or duet it and give your own like personal opinion on it, and people will enjoy that as well. And the 10th thing is to work with influencers. Basically, you can work with them, you can pay them to shout you out, you can pay them to work with you. Like there are different types of scenarios you can do this. 11, you can always participate in the TikTok challenges. So basically, TikTok challenges, there are two main types. There are that are challenges that relate back to your product or service that your brand creates as a way to engage your audience. Community challenges are started by creators and TikTok users. So try creating a unique branded challenge for your audience to participate in to see how much reach you can generate. And the final suggestion is to make a lot of content. So you want to make a lot of content, anywhere from 1 to 4 times a day, and even more. If you can pump out 8 TikToks a day, do it, but make sure they are still quality so that they are not just random videos. You want to contain quality, of course, quality over quantity, but if this and this are good, then pump out videos. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.